Oh, hey there, everybody. We're back. It's us.
It's me.
It is us. Check it. We got married. It's weird. We just got home. It is Monday. It's Monday. Just got home. We sold some things while we were away.
He doesn't want us to go away again.
And it's pretty cool. I think we sold like 5 things while we were gone. So pretty nice. Actually, you know what? First and foremost, let me just say thank you to everybody who has reached out, friends and family, sent us messages saying congratulations and just sending really nice things. And a lot of people here on YouTube as well, who follow us here on YouTube and, you know, friends on Facebook from YouTube. Instagram. We try to respond or at least like everybody's comments. We've got so many of them trying to catch up, but
and we didn't have service on the island.
Yeah.
It was very spotty.
Yep.
So, I mean, even if we did.
Yeah, so we haven't really had any cell service for a couple days. Well, 3 days now. But anyway, so we just want to say thank you to everybody who reached out and said really kind things. So it was a really awesome day. Some footage was taken pretty much the whole day. I had my sister's boyfriend, Buddy. Shout out to Buddy if you're watching this. I had him film a lot of the weekend because I couldn't really be holding the GoPro. I was just way too busy. So he did a lot of filming for us with the GoPro. I'm going to make a wedding video, and I'll be posting it here on the channel, but I'm not sure quite when it will be out yet because I want to make sure to make it good and just do it right.
What if they already saw it?
So, no, because this will be out probably tomorrow.
Oh.
So anyway, keep an eye out for that. If it's not out already, it will be coming because we have tons of footage. So, anyway, back to...
So excited to be home. I just want to say I have never, like even in this chaos that's in the eBay room, I've never been so happy to be here. I even told Ryan, I was like, the eBay room has never looked so good. I mean, it's looked better, but to me, it was kind of white.
Yeah, it's good to be back home. It's good to be back home, for sure. Anyway, so, like I said, we made some decent sales while we were tying the knot.
We got to do some shipping so we can go back out and go grocery shopping, because, you know, you don't go on trips and leave a bunch of stuff in your fridge, because that's just nasty.
Yep, so we have a lot to do. We just got everything unpacked. It's so much stuff to bring into the house.
How is it that we only brought one wagon, or needed one wagon to bring all the stuff out, but we need 2 wagons to bring it all back?
I know, right? It's crazy. We got a ton of stuff. We still haven't even sorted it out.
Nope.
But anyway, that's why I have this week off, because there's a lot of stuff to get done and to kind of catch up on. But anyway, first thing that sold is right here. This is a Clarinet, and we picked this up at a garage sale, I don't know, maybe like a month ago now. It was in a video. We paid like $25 for it. It was in a bundle deal. But I didn't really know exactly what it was worth. I took good pictures of it, disclosed everything that was wrong with it. It's missing, I think it's missing something on the actual, let me pull this over here. So like right here, I think there's supposed to be like a metal ring or something. I mean, you can see where it fell off. And there's like still glue there. But that was missing, and I think everything else was good. See, this has the metal rings on it, that piece there. I think everything else was good, and we ended up, I like I said, I didn't really know what it was worth, and I listed it a little high. I just kind of set it up there for $175. I think I did, free shipping on that because it was such a high dollar thing, and it ended up selling for that price, actually on our wedding day. Woke up to that. I was like, wow, that was crazy. So, I think it was $174.99, free shipping. So that was a killer sale. Really, really awesome.
It's probably Catan.
I'll take that all day. Plus, this will be very fairly easy to ship. It's not too heavy, and it's not that big either, which is nice. Plus, it's already pretty protected. So, anyway, that is that. That's the first sale. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, next we sold another pair of football cleats. If you guys have been watching the channel, you will know that lately we have been doing very well with football cleats. These football cleats were a retail find, and we had $20 into them. I think they're these right here. We've sold. Get this down. Ow. Ow. Anyway, we've sold, I think we've sold 2 or 3 pair of these cleats. Blah. Get over here. This room is a disaster. 2 or 3 pair of these cleats right here. They are Under Armour. And I've showed them on the channel a few times before, but if you haven't seen them, there they are right there. They're really cool pattern, skull, kind of like graffiti paint on them or something. But yeah, $20 into those. And we ended up selling those for $47.99 plus shipping. So pretty awesome, pretty awesome. I will take that. Hey, kitty, what are you doing, kitty, kitty, kitty? Yeah, you good boy?
Miss everyone, Kita.
Did you miss us while we were gone? Did you miss us?
Why don't you say hi to Justin? Where's Kita?
Say hi, kitty.
Nope, he's just having
Next we sold, let's see here, where is it? Next we sold, we sold a Funko Pop. We sold a Funko Pop. It is Five Nights at Freddy's number 110. So hold on here.
Watch out, Kitty.
We've got quite a few things here on top of this thing. Some shoes. I have all the Funko Pops still in this bin where we bought them. Came with this bin. So it's number 110. Let's see, there it is right there. This one right here. It's glow in the dark, and it is a GameStop exclusive. We had $2 and what was it, 16 cents into these.
Is it really glow in the dark?
I believe, yeah, it says glow in the dark right on the thing.
You know I'm gonna test that.
Go ahead and test
I'll be
it.
back momentarily.
But we ended up getting $7.99 plus shipping for that. So not too bad. That's one of the lower end pops. Actually, it's kind of weird. The some of the pops that we have that are worth more money and are probably more desirable are the ones that haven't moved yet. The ones that are the lowest dollars are the ones that have been selling, which is fine with me. I'll get those out first and then worry about the sit and wait for the other ones to sell later and get more money for them. So trying to make it glow in the dark.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the closet in the eBay room.
Okay.
Or I can go to the over there.
Is this closet dark enough? Might be.
I don't see it glowing.
I don't see it glowing.
It is a liar.
Yeah, that's a lie. Weird.
Tested and not approved.
But anyway, that's good. That is now, so we picked up, I think it was 14 Funko Pops. Now that's 2 of them have already sold. So starting to move through those pretty well. Next, we sold a little sale here. It was,
Where are you putting the things that sold?
I'm putting them right there.
Oh.
Next, we sold a 1985 original Nintendo Zapper. These, I probably would not recommend picking them up if you find them, even if you find them for, $1. I picked it up because I really didn't know better at the time, but they're kind of hard to move. They don't sell real well, and when they do sell, they don't sell for very much money, honestly. They really don't. But here it is right here, Nintendo Zapper. Can't even remember what I paid for this thing, but it sold this past weekend.
I do.
For...
You want me to tell you?
No,
You don't want me
I don't want to know. It sold. We definitely lost money on it. We sold. I think I paid $5 for it, which is way too much. But that was a while ago, and I didn't really know any better. But anyway, we sold that for $8.99 plus shipping. So probably maybe breaking even there. I don't know. Maybe losing a couple bucks or a few cents. Anyway, I'm glad to get it out. But yeah, like I said, those things aren't really super desirable, and they're not really worth much money. So what? Hi. So that's 4 things. And then the last thing we sold to actually a viewer. So this actually, this sold to Todd. He is a viewer of the channel. I see him in Justin's Facebook group all the time. I believe he's a newer seller. He's reached out to me. I've talked to him a few times. But his name is Todd, and he bought a sign from us. Where? Do you know where that sign is?
Right on the pillow, I can see it.
Right on the... Where? Oh, yeah, right here. Here it is. He bought this sign from us. And it's like a dog sign here. And it says, lives here. So I think this is actually... Is this like a chalkboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a chalkboard. And, yeah, you can write your pet's name on it. It's kind of cool. It's a cool little sign. I've had this for a little while. But yeah, so Todd, thank you very much for your business. I really appreciate the purchase. And yeah, it's really cool. Thank you, Todd. I really appreciate that. We will ship that right out to you today, actually. It's going to send out on Monday. Yep. So, yeah. Plan for this week is to kind of try to neaten up the eBay room, straighten things out. And then, what? No?
The plan for this week, while you have it off, is the lovely honey-do list that I've made for the past... How long have you been dating? 6 years. And now I can whip up the honey-do list.
No, she did make me a list of things that we both... Not what she wants me to get done. Yeah, it's a reminder list of things that we need to get done in this week that I have off, when I have the extra time, which is good. I want to... One of the things I do want to do is kind of straighten this room up a little bit and get... I would love to get a lot of this listed, or most of it, this week. That would be really cool. I don't know if that's going to happen because, like I said, there's a lot of things to get done this week.
It can't go if it ain't listed.
But that's true. It can't go if it ain't listed. But
and then Saturday we get to go back out.
Oh yeah, Saturday. Yeah,
we haven't gone for a while.
I know, it's been weird because we missed garage sales. Well, we went last weekend technically, but yeah, we missed garage sales this week because we were getting married. So.
They had none. We
definitely,
checked.
Yeah, they had none. They didn't have any.
We drove around on a little golf cart to see if there were any yard sales, but there were not.
But yeah, it's kind of weird. So yeah, hopefully you can get a lot of this listed and then go out sourcing again, and kind of keep moving some stuff. I'm glad some things moved while we were gone. That was good. Glad some people bought some stuff and.
He's always looking your direction like you're talking to him.
Hi, Kitan.
What's he doing, Kitan? You being the camera? He's just happy we're back, I think.
He is. He is happy we're back.
Follows us around like we might disappear again. Oh, he's purring.
Good boy. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed our What Sold videos, and...
Maybe we should auction Kitan.
No, we're not going to auction Kitan. He's priceless. He priceless.
What about Oakley?
No.
Allie?
No.
Kimber?
Maybe.
No, we'd get her returned.
What are you doing? Oh, good boy. All right, so we're going to get to shipping and get this stuff out, and then we're going to go grocery shopping and do some other stuff. So yeah, okay, goodbye, everybody. Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamers.
Bye! I don't even know what to say now that he took my dreamers.